Hi everyone, I'm Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip of the week for you. For today's tech tip, we're going to be highlighting a tool that we've had for a while called Formative. To get to Formative, teachers will go to their My Apps, click on the green folder, and then the blue check mark for Formative. Formative is a powerful tool that allows teachers to create a variety of interactive lessons and work practice sheets, and then be able to see the data as students complete and be able to give students actionable feedback and guide their instruction. In order to create formatives, you start here and can click the plus button to create. You can create formatives, lessons, practice sets, and sometimes we'll even have some common assessments that are created for our schools or PLCs. Once I click on starting a formative, it takes to a nice cover page that I can customize the colors and changes and any information I want for my students. I can add, comment, or import documents I already have from my Google Drive. There are lots of different contents that we can add to help mimic some of the information that students are getting. And then from those, building off the different question types that students respond in ways. These all collect data in different ways for us. As you know, if I hover over them, some of them have the green auto graded. That lets me know that I can choose what the correct answer is. And then as students complete the work, Formative will automatically grade it, saving me time and allowing my students to get instant feedback, where other response types, such as the audio response, are going to require a teacher to go back and review and give those grades and feedback. So this is a very powerful tool that you can be able to use. I hope you have a fun time exploring Formative and finding out some ways that you can get quick details on your students. If you need help, please reach out to the Tech Teach Grow team. We're here to help.